What if I told you that right here on our flip house that you guys have seen on this YouTube channel, we're installing over 90 panels. This is a 36 kilowatt system that we will make on commission over $17,000. On today's video, we're going to discuss everything solar, from why it makes sense to why you too should probably start selling solar. So let's talk about it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kenney. If you're new around here, we talk about how to make money, and we've been doing a journey of flipping a house over the last several years. And you guys can actually click on the most recent video. We just did a tour and update actually today, right here on the channel. So click on that video if you've never seen it. But today we're talking about solar. Up on the roof, we have guys right now installing panel after panel. There's over 90 panels going on this roof. And I want to first of all give a massive shout out to Capital Energy here in Arizona for making this possible. I always say, number one tip in solar is if you're going to go solar, you should go solar with a company that you would trust if your grandmother wanted to go solar. And Capital Energy, for me, is that company. So first of all, I just want to give my flowers to Capital Energy. Now today we're going to talk about why do homeowners go solar in the first place? Why is someone that is buying a $15 million house, why do they care about their utility bill? And let me talk about it for a couple of minutes. First of all, for generations to come, do you care about this land? Do you care about this planet? Do you care about the earth? People that are going and adopting solar are thinking about generations to come, but with savings in mind. See, the most interesting thing about this house is it has over 4 AC units. No question, with a 10,000 square foot house in Arizona on top of the hill with a ton of glass, their utility bills will be thousands and thousands of dollars every single month. But now that they're adding solar panels to the top of the roof, guess what? Their utility bill will be diminished by over 70%. And what's unique about that, guys, is this is somebody that has been able to buy a property for $15 million, yet they're still getting those savings. So what's so unique about solar, guys, is first, it's an unregulated market. So anybody watching this YouTube video right now in the US that wants to sell a solar system could. It's not like mortgages where you need a license or real estate or insurance, you get the drill. It is literally unregulated. Anybody could go sell. And so number two, the paperwork is seamless. With just a DocuSign and a couple signatures, you can get a solar transaction done, and then you wait 30 to 45 days for permits and HOA and all that stuff, and it can be put on the roof. This here again is a $17,000 commission on just this one deal. So imagine if you know people that own homes that might want to go solar and might want to save on their electricity. And so with all that said, what I want you to think about is your utility bill for a minute. Listen, around the US over the last 10 years, utility rates in some states have doubled, some states have tripled, some states have quadrupled in price. And what people that are going solar are doing is they're choosing to own their own power. Very similar to you, maybe that's owning your home. You chose to lock in a mortgage rate for 30 years and not have to have a landlord call you and say, I'm raising your rates. Well, guess what? That's what utility companies do. They send a thing in the letter that says, hey, congratulations, your rate just went up another 5%, another 10%. With solar, they don't have to do that. So think about all of the people right now that you know in your life today that own homes, that are tired of the utility bill, that might want to go solar. And that leads me to my next point. This deal in particular, again, paid us over $17,000 in commission. It took under 1 hour of my work to actually get the paperwork done. Of course, it's going to take several days for the install to happen, and I'll get paid next week after install. But what I've done over the last 3 years is I've gone all in on solar. I've shared it on the channel. We built a solar company with over 700 sales reps, successfully exited that company. We did over $100 million in solar transactions, and I've learned so much about this industry. And so for the last 12 months, I have spent all of my days on a passion project, and it's called solarschool.com. You guys can go right now to solarschool.com, and you too can learn the ins and outs of the industry, from how solar works, where it's from, the panels, the components, how the tax credits work, how the paperwork works, everything. And I want you guys to be able to go do that. So down in the description, I'm going to leave a link to solarschool.com so you too can learn all about solar. So guys, I hope you learned a couple pieces of crucial information about your power today. If somebody that is buying a $15 million home believes in the power of solar, somebody that has a 3,000, 2,000, or 1,000 square foot home better be looking into it as well. If you are a person that wants to go solar on your home, or you want to have a quote looked at, just comment down below and I'll get in touch with you with my team with your email, and we'll discuss what that looks like for you. But if you want to make money selling solar, you want to make $17,000, $5,000, $10,000, whatever it is, go in the link in the description and visit solarschool.com. I will be your teacher with over 20 hours of content, 240 videos showing you guys exactly what to do. And with that said, guys, do not forget to hit that like button. Again, enjoy the video of the tour if you haven't seen this flip house, and I'll see you on the next video.